Hello, Generations College students, and welcome to Spirit Day.
We, Professor Underwood,
And Dr. Pierce
are your CAPPE Co-Director Crusaders.
Yes, we are. CAPPE, C-A-P-P-E, stands for Center for Academic, Personal, and Professional Excellence.
We will greet you with a can-do attitude full of positive, productive enthusiasm.
Yes.
See what I did there? Yep.
Mm-hmm. If you're in need of mentoring or tutoring, who you gonna call? Your CAPPE Crusaders.
If you're wanting support with career and professional development, who are you gonna call? Your CAPPE Crusaders.
If you need someone to talk to about health and wellness, who you gonna call? Your CAPPE Crusaders.
Call us in a time of need or to let us know how well you're doing.
Yes. Now, what does CAPPE stand for again?
I wonder.